What are different components of Selenium? Selenium isn't just one tool, it's a powerful suite of tools for web automation. It includes Selenium WebDriver, Selenium IDE, and Selenium Grid. Selenium WebDriver is an API that lets you write automation scripts for web applications using supported programming languages like Java, Python, or C#. It is versatile and widely used for creating robust customizable tests. Selenium IDE, on the other hand, is a browser plugin for Chrome and Firefox that allows you to record and playback on the test cases quickly. It is perfect for beginners for generating scripts, prototype. Finally, Selenium Grid, essential for distributing test execution across multiple platforms and browsers combination, improving coverage and speeding up the process. Together, these components make a Selenium a comprehensive solution for automating web testing. If you found these helpful, drop a comment below with your thoughts and questions. And don't forget to follow and subscribe me for more such a content on testing and automation. See you in the next video.